how to access Microsoft Teams. So if you would like to access Microsoft Teams, what you can do is first of all, you can simply open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, at the very top of the search bar, you just want to go ahead and then type in Teams. Because first, to access it, you must download the Microsoft Teams application. So if you have not already done so, you will find an install button right there, at which you will just have to click on the install button and the Microsoft Teams app will be installed on your device. Once you've installed the Teams app, of course, you want to open it up, and next thing you have to do to access is log into your account. If you haven't done so already, just go to the add account section, select use another account. Over here, just enter the email, phone, or Skype of your Microsoft ID. Click on next, enter your password, and log into your account. And after that, you will be able to access the Teams app. And as you can see, I'm successfully within the Teams app. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.